Hi, today I'm going to be talking about my experience with this foundation by Too Faced called Born This Way. I'd say I first heard about this product everywhere, honestly. A lot of internet celebrities talk about it, YouTubers, actresses, and also a lot of my friends do have this foundation and they really recommended it to me. So I thought I would go give it a try. I didn't want to throw away my foundation before I got this one. But once I got this one, I just realized that it was so much better than I expected, and I just went ahead and threw out my old foundation. The thing about this one is that it's medium to full coverage foundation. I've found so far, out of all the foundations I've tried, this one is by far my favorite just because of the texture and how well it actually goes onto my skin. I bought this in the snow complexion just because I have really light skin. When I first went ahead into the store and bought it, I was actually able to sample out 3 of the different foundations. When I did, I found that 2 of the darker shades were actually orange on me, which really wasn't pleasant, but the snow fit me perfectly. And sometimes I do struggle just because I have very light skin, but I liked that they had a color in their line that was catering to my skin tone and matched me perfectly. So I want to show you what it looks like on the skin. So this is how it's very thick, as you can see, but you can apply it lighter. So I'll put a bit on my skin, rub it around a bit, just to show you what it looks like. Now I have my beauty blender here and I'm just gonna blend this in all over my skin. Now my hand is a bit of a different tone to my face, but I think it'll help you see just how well this foundation goes on. So here is some of the foundation. It is a bit more prominent here, but that's just because my skin's cracked because it is dry. But overall, it blends in really well. And as you can see, I used only a bit here, and honestly, I can probably blend it out even further onto my hand if I wanted to. So a lot of this goes a long way. And I'd say when I use this for my face, I don't even use a full pump, I use half a pump. So that just goes to show how well the coverage on this really does work. I'd say this foundation bottle is about the average size that foundations come in. It fits into the palm of my hand. So it can fit in your beauty bag, which is awesome. But at the same time, if it does get a bit crowded, since it is a bit more thicker, but it contains a lot, but because it's thick, it can sometimes make your bag a bit more bulkier and won't always fit, which I've found. I honestly use this foundation every day and I love it and I have no regrets to buying it. I think after this one is finished, I will definitely use it again.